So this is a cardboard video, and I'm going to show you a few things. And I guess the emphasis here is that, that cardboard has a lot of really wonderful and creative uses. And I call this the Cardboard Monte Carlo. A few years back, I took a drive around America. I visited all 48 states. Do you see the car here outside of Hearst Castle in California? So I wanted a copy of that because I wanted to make a little 1-minute animation, kind of an animation, of me driving in the car. So I wanted to make a cardboard Monte Carlo, and this is what I made. And it's pretty simple, nothing really complicated about it, and it's just cardboard and hot glue. And I could have done a lot more with it, but it was, good enough. And in this video, I'll show you a few things about the making of it, and I'm also going to show you the 1-minute video. I think you might enjoy that of me driving in this little Monte Carlo, and that's me inside the car there. So the scale is, 6:1, because the figure is 6:1. That's an actual stop-motion animation figure in there that can move. So it's coming along almost complete. There's curves in and everything. But let's take a look at the 1-minute animation, the little video. You might like it. When I was a kid, my parents gave me a Road Atlas of America. It was a big hardcover book full of beautiful pictures and maps of the country and of all 50 states. It had interesting information about population, industry, main crops, sights to see, and I loved that book. I spent a lot of time with it. I would measure out distances between cities and states and how long it would take me to drive. And I vowed that one day when I grew up, I would do that. I would take that drive, take a road trip around, and see all of America. In the pursuing years, I've lost that book, but I never lost the dream. Now, many years later, it took me a long time, but I finally fulfilled that dream. Travel along with me on my road trip around America. So that's it. Then now I'll show you some more pictures. But see, I've got the green screen there, so I could pop in the video of on the road. But this video, I just wanted to show you, some of the potential of cardboard. And you can see that there are curves, like on the side panels, the door and the back panel. And that's pretty easy to do. I have a video here. I'll put a link in the description, and I'll drop in a card here on how to easily get curves on cardboard. So there's a lot of different things. Save up those boxes. If you get shipments from online services like Amazon or Walmart or anything else, just cut open those boxes, fold them flat, and set them aside, because I'm going to show you a lot of amazing things to do with cardboard. So let's take a look at a few pictures. How I started a project like this. It's all about the scale with the figure, so I started with the seat, so I could try to get the scale right, approximately. And then from there, I just built it out. Added the steering wheel and a little dashboard, and then I worked on the shell of the car, and there's this internal structure inside that, so everything sits in a structure. So I'll have more about building things like this out of cardboard, just cardboard and glue. Thanks.